Hey there, Julie Gow with the Overcoming Family, wishing you a happy Saturday. Coming to you today, wanting to talk again about trusting yourself and taking time to slow down, breathe in, and listen to that small built-in compass, that inner voice that you have deep within you. And remember, for years, I wasn't a person that was in tuned with that small voice, and I was the person that was looking to answers for my life and what I should do in everybody else, when the answers lie right inside of me. And so I just want to encourage you to really try to tune in to listening to that small voice, your intuition, whatever you want to label it. I want you to focus and get excited about allowing this to guide your life and be your ultimate compass, because it's not going to let you down. So, and back in July, I made a decision for Derek and I and the family to work from home, no longer hit a time clock, and it is going very, very good. But there were people that told me I was crazy. Julie, what are you doing? You're nuts, you're crazy. Well, guess what? I find comfort in being told I'm crazy because of my ability to think outside of the box. I'll take the label as crazy because I always have been a person that is able to think and come up with my own opinion and my own ideas on certain things, such as maybe politics and just things that go on in life. So I trust what my inner spirit tells me and my compass, and I am very grateful that I made the decision in July to start working from home. So that's what I have for you today. You guys have an awesome Saturday. Like I always tell you, go out there, move mountains, and you can check us out at gomovemountains.com. We'll see you next time.